Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate segment analytics for event tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate segment analytics for event tracking, start by logging into your segment account. Navigate to the workspace section in the dashboard. Select the project you want to configure for event tracking. Go to the Sources tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Add Source to create a new data source. Choose the platform that aligns with your application, such as JavaScript, iOS, or Android. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen source. Once the source is created, note the right key provided. Integrate the right key into your application code. For a JavaScript source, include the segmentanalytics.js library in your HTML. Initialize the library by adding the following code snippet: analytics.initialize, your _right_ key, replace your _right_ key with the key you obtained earlier. To track events, use the code analytics.track, event_name, replace event_name with your specific event name. Add properties inside the curly braces to provide additional context for the event. For example, you can include user details or relevant data points. After setting up tracking, ensure to test the events in your application. Use the segment debugger to verify if events are being sent correctly. Navigate to the Debugger tab in the segment dashboard. This tool will display real-time data and confirm successful event tracking. Once verified, you can start analyzing your event data in Segment. Consider setting up destinations to send your data to analytics platforms. Choose from popular integrations like Google Analytics or Mixpanel. Click on the Destinations tab in your workspace. Select the desired destination and follow the integration steps provided. Customize the settings to align with your reporting needs. Finally, regularly monitor and adjust your event tracking setup as your application evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.